If anyone was to ever say to me, oh, busking is for unsuccessful musicians, I'd turn around to them and say, buskers are the people that go out there, put themselves on the line in a completely vulnerable place and share their music. It is the epitome of putting yourself out there. And that mentality is everything you need to become a success. So it's quite the opposite, I think. Buskers are some of the more successful people because they're the people that are willing to go out there and do it, to give it a shot, have a go.